Have you ever looked around your life and thought, this should be enough? Why don't I feel it? You've ticked the boxes, the lifestyle, the income, the impact, maybe even the dream home, the travel, the freedom, and yet something inside still feels off. If that's you, this episode is a gentle but powerful wake-up call. Hey beautiful soul, and welcome back to the Awaken with Love and Rise with Pure Joy podcast. I'm Katie Joy, founder of theglobalbutterfly.com, the Soul Goal Mapping Challenge, the Awaken Soul Program, and I'm an intuitive strategist and your guide for aligning your life and business with love, truth, and soul deep success. Today's episode is close to my heart because I've lived it, and chances are, so have you. Let me take you back. I had it all on paper, a multi-million-dollar property portfolio, $400,000 a year in passive income, 4 years traveling the world full-time, a business I'd built from scratch, a life I designed with intention. But standing on the mountaintop, I found myself whispering, is this it? See, I thought success would feel like peace, like joy, like deep, radiant fulfillment. But instead it felt like quiet disconnection, subtle emptiness, and a sneaky sense I'd missed something, even though I'd done everything right. It took me years and some quantum soul work to realize the truth. I wasn't broken. I wasn't ungrateful. I was just misaligned. Because success on the outside doesn't guarantee soul alignment on the inside. For some of my clients, they need to rise up in their frequency in order to manifest their ideal life. And for many of my clients, it's the opposite. They've already created the dream life, but they haven't yet calibrated to the frequency of actually living it. They've become who they needed to be to succeed, but not who they truly are when they're free. It's like wearing a version of your life that fits, but doesn't feel right. Something's off. Sound familiar? Here's what I want you to know. You don't need to burn it all down. You don't need to fix yourself. You simply need to recalibrate your frequency to align with who you are now. Because the next level isn't about hustling harder. It's about embodying the energy of what you've already created and activating peace, presence, and purpose within it. That's where your joy lives. That's where your magic unlocks. That's where your true impact expands effortlessly. If this spoke to your soul today, first, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the like and leave a comment down below with what resonated with you. Also, I invite you to join the waitlist for the next Soul Goal Mapping Challenge. It's your next step to align your inner frequency, activate your soul goals, and finally feel the life you've worked so hard to create. Join the waitlist now in the link down below in the show notes and get instant access to free tools to start your recalibration today. You don't have to wait to feel the joy. Until next time, breathe in power, exhale the noise, and remember, you're not broken, you're just becoming. With lots of love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic, and more. From my heart to yours. Bye for now.